Lovelies, welcome to my channel. Well, my name is Sandra and I'm so happy that you're here today. In this channel, our focus is going to be on DIY projects, glam home decors, and of course beauty. So if you guys are into this kind of stuff, please consider subscribing because I have more to show you. I will be uploading every Friday, so turn on your notification so you can get all my future uploads. Give me a like if you like this video. Comment down below and let me know what you think. Subscribe and I'll see you in the next video.
Okay guys, so this is our guest bedroom downstairs and we're going to make over this room. We're gonna make it a guest bedroom / studio. So in this process, we are going to rip out the carpet and we're gonna lay down new flooring, and you guys are gonna come along and get to see all this. We're gonna paint the walls a new color and make everything bright, and then we're going to decorate the room. So stay tuned and watch the video. Okay guys, so I've went ahead and emptied out the room except for the closet area. I'm gonna be taking that down very shortly. So we took out the bedding, the dressers that were there, and all the stuff that was in the corner. We've go ahead and taken everything out. Empty out the closet. And we're gonna get ready to paint. Okay guys, so this is paint day. So me and my husband will be doing that today. So he's starting out by carving out the room. And the paint that we decided to use for this room is called Agreeable Gray by Sherwin-Williams. And I think it's gonna look really pretty in the room. Okay. All right, so this is how the room is looking. Yesterday we painted, and today we're gonna rip out the carpet and then put new flooring in. So I'm just gonna take a 360 view of the room. Okay, we're gonna get started. I'm gonna have my husband help me rip out the carpet. Let's do this. Yay, we got rid of the carpet. So now we are removing the padding underneath the carpet. So we're going through this process, and then once we remove all the padding, we are going to scrape the concrete floor because it has like leftover glue from the padding that they had glued down when they built the home. So this is the next part of the process. Okay, so we're getting ready to do the floors. We ripped out the carpet earlier and now we're getting ready to do a little bit of patchwork and put the new flooring down. I'm going to do some trim work right here. Just give it a little bit of color. Okay, all right. Okay, so I'm getting ready to paint the trim around the room. I'm using a white color. The finish is semi-gloss by Sherwin-Williams. All right, let's do this. All right, so now we're getting ready to install the peel and stick vinyl floor tiles. And this tile is by Traffic Master. And the color that we got it in is gray ash. And we got it from Home Depot. So right now we are setting up the pattern of how we want it to be in the room. But after a little bit, we realized that we didn't like look that way, so we're going to change it out a little bit and put it in the other opposite direction from the room. Okay, now this is the fun part of the process, but it's very tedious and, you know, it takes up a little bit of your time. But we'll get through it. I would like to welcome my new subscribers to the channel. I appreciate you watching. We have more exciting videos to come. And all my returning subscribers, thank you for watching. Hey guys, let me know in the comments down below, would you consider putting this floor down, the peel and stick? And if so, where in your home would you consider putting it? Are you enjoying the video so far? If so, give me a like. Guys, don't forget to comment down below if you have any topic suggestions or ideas. I would love to hear from you. And if you enjoy my content, please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any future uploads of my videos. We have most of the tile up, down actually. So we just have, we did the closet, we just have the ends towards the door part to do, and I have to cut out a strip for that tomorrow. And then we have to do the quarter rounds all around the room, and I think we'll be done. It's been a lot of work. We've been working on this for several hours. But I'm tired now, so we're gonna start back again tomorrow. See ya. Okay, my husband came down and helped me finish up the end part of the peel and stick tiles. So now we're going to put the quarter rounds on the baseboard around the room. At first I had tried to put the nails through it and do it that way, but it started messing up the wood, like damaging it. So I've decided not to go that route. Instead, I'm gonna just use caulking to stick it onto the baseboard. I've watched another YouTuber use this method and it seemed to be working out well. Okay, so I've just finished painting the quarter rounds, and now I'm going to paint the trim around the door, the closet, and the windows. And the color that I'm using for it, it's called Alabaster, and it's by Cheryl Williams. This is the floor. We have the floor all completed. I think we did a great job. Now we're going to decorate the room. Move some stuff back in here. Alright guys, so we're the big reveal. As we enter the room, on the left side we have our queen size bed back in the room, but I dressed it up with this beautiful comforter set that I got from Walmart. I think it's very beautiful and it coordinates well with the color theme of this room, which is gold and silver and gray and white. But I think it looks really nice in the space there. Alrighty, so as we pan across the room, we have this lovely plant that I got from Home Depot. I think it's very nice to put in some greenery into the space. So I like that one very much. Over in the corner, I have my 6-cube shelving from Target, where I'm storing some of my arts and craft projects. And moving along, I have my beautiful desk. I got that from Amazon. And this lovely cup that says Queen of Everything. My husband decided to get it for me because he believes I'm into everything, which is accurate. And the hello sign, I got that from Home Goods. The chair, I got the chair from Ross. I plan to give it a gold color, the trim. We'll see if we end up doing that, but that's my plan, to match kind of like the legs of the table that I got in there. Guys, I think this room turned out really beautiful. Check out the floors again. I think we did a great job, me and my husband, so shout out to you, babe. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, drop a comment down below, and subscribe. I see you on the next video.